This is my friend Morgan,
bye.
and she's freaked out because she's never been around a bird. And this is only a little parakeet, so imagine a parrot.
Alright, let me put him up here. Okay. I'm gonna make him do a trick. Where's the... Okay. Oh. Okay. Give me kisses.
Nothing.
Give me kisses. He did it. Good birdie.
Did he even do it?
Yeah, he really did. I'm serious. Okay, now I'm gonna put him on my shoulder. Okay.
Don't use the perch.
I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Oh, that freaked me out. That freaks me out. Okay, okay. Stay. Up. What is the point? He just crawls off. Alright. No.
That was hilarious.
Just get on here. Okay, let's get you away from your cage. What if he... Okay, what's he doing? Don't crawl on my face. Please don't crawl on my face. Okay.
He's not gonna crawl on your face.
Oh,
He's just as afraid of you.
I'm not you're scary.
Yeah, you're like screaming. See, that scares him. God, you're confusing him.
I'm not confusing him. Oh, why do you crawl? Okay, okay, what is he doing? Yeah, birdie. Hi, birdie. I wonder if oh, he's on the ground. Okay, up.
This is why he's running towards me.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. He's like, look at...
Good boy. Why did you have to fly away?
Bring him over here
What
fast.
if he bites me? Oh, he was trying to bite me. He was trying to bite me. I'm not even playing. No, he was trying to bite me. Where's that perch?
It's because you're like screaming.
I'm not even screaming.
You're scaring the heck out of him. I'm probably scared the poop out of him.
Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Oh, I thought he was biting me. I'm scared. Why does he do that?
He's just puffing up his feathers.
Do we puff up our feathers? I don't think so.
We don't have feathers.
What's he doing? Up. Oh, he's soft.
Yeah, he is.
Up.
When you're actually not afraid to touch him.
Come on. Oh, this bird is not a good listener. Up. Good boy.
It's because you're freaking him out.
I'm not doing nothing. What is he doing now? Okay, get on my shoulder. Up. There we go, birdie. Good birdie. Why is he staring at Okay, now Cameron, will you put that on my head? Will you put it on it?
Yeah, I'll put him on your head.
Wait, here. Hold it. Okay, go.
Hold it.
I'm scared.
He doesn't like it when I pick him up off his cage.
I'm scared. I'm really scared.
And you freaked him out already.
Okay.
So
this bird is about to go on my head, people.
Up. Good boy.
Go.
You ready?
That was so scary. Get him.
Come right here.
Okay.
You gotta come.
This bird is about to go on my head. Yeah. Okay. Are you putting him over there first?
Yeah. He doesn't like
T-ball.
Alright, you ready? Up. Ready?
Oh my gosh. This bird is on my head right now. Okay, ready? You want to see?
Watch him jump.
Look it. Oh gosh.
Let me see the camera.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Is he about to fly or poop on my head? I swear.
He's not doing anything.
Can I stand up?
Yeah.
What is he?
He pooped.
Are you kidding me?
No, he didn't poop. He like poofed up his feathers.
Oh, I thought you said my stomach like started turning. See, I'm just like so amazing. No one else can put a bird on their head. Like
I think I can.
I don't think you can.
I think
Where's
I can.
the perch? He dug his little claws in my head. That's not funny. Come on, you're going in the cage.
That was hilarious. Don't put him in the cage.
This is a bad bird. Go.
He doesn't want in its cage. Morgan.
Oh no,
You're a chicken.
I am a chicken. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Don't try this at home.
Bye, everybody.
Don't try this at home. Don't try this.